Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Maritime Technology channel, where we regularly review navigation equipment, fishing aids, communications systems, and remote monitoring solutions. Today, we are going to talk about the Orbcomm SC-1000 satellite terminal, also known as a remote monitoring beacon. We'll take a closer look at all the details right after the intro. Now let's unbox the satellite terminal. On the front of the box, we can see the brand name along with some important instructions. There are icons indicating that once the beacon is unpacked and exposed to light, it will automatically power on. The same instruction is repeated on the line below. Exposure to light will activate the beacon. Let's open the package and take a closer look at what is included. When we open the box, the first item we find is the SC-1000 satellite terminal. At the bottom of the box, we will find a basic installation kit. This installation kit includes rivets, an alcohol wipe for cleaning the mounting surface, and a small cleaning cloth. These items are used to clean the area where the double-sided adhesive will be placed. As part of the basic materials and tools required for the installation, we recommend having a drill, preferably a cordless drill, so it can easily be carried from one vessel to another during installations. The drill should have a bit that matches the type of screw being used for the installation. In this case, we are using a Phillips head bit, along with Phillips head self-tapping screws. The beacon requires 2 screws. Each screw will be installed at one end of the beacon to secure it in place. There are also alternative ways to install the beacon. One option is to use a 10mm clamp, allowing the beacon to be mounted either horizontally or vertically on a pipe or railing aboard the vessel. Another option is to use cable ties. These can be passed directly through the mounting slots on the beacon, allowing it to be secured to a pipe in either a horizontal or vertical position. We can also use the factory installation kit that we showed earlier during the unboxing. The factory kit includes an alcohol cleaning wipe, a cleaning cloth, and rivets. For installing the beacon on a horizontal or vertical pipe aboard the vessel, the procedure is as follows. Insert the cable ties through the mounting slots provided on the beacon. The unit can be installed either vertically or horizontally. In this example, I am mounting it on a horizontal pipe. The beacon is now secured and fully functional. The installation can be reinforced by using 2 or 3 cable ties. For a vertical installation, we follow the same procedure. We place the cable ties through the upper and lower sections of the beacon. Then we position the beacon against the vertical pipe. We tighten the cable ties and that's it. The beacon is securely installed and ready for operation. The recommendation at all times is to install the beacon in a horizontal position with a clear and unobstructed view of the sky for reliable satellite communication. For installation on a flat surface, such as the upper deck, the edge of the vessel, or the side of a panga, or small artisanal fishing boat, we will use screws. We'll see how to do that next. Place the beacon on the mounting surface. Take the recommended stainless steel self-tapping screw and install the first screw. Then install the second screw. And that's it. The beacon is now securely and properly installed. Optionally, you can apply a small amount of marine-grade silicone over the heads of the screws for additional protection. And that completes the installation procedure for an Orbcomm SC-1000 remote monitoring beacon. After seeing the complete installation process, what did you think of the video? Today, we installed an Orbcomm SC-1000 beacon on fishing vessels using several different installation methods. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. For now, I'll see you in the next video. God bless you.